When you buy a Tesla, you expect cutting-edge technology and futuristic design, but not endless headaches. In part 1, I broke down my initial investment and some early repair issues. Today, I'm taking you deeper into the story. Suspension problems that were fixed under warranty and then failed again. And if that wasn't enough, now Tesla is trying to pin this on my driving habits, claiming I hit something while demanding an outrageous $10,000 for another repair. True cost of owning a Tesla Model Y. Part 2. Warranty expiration and Safeco insurance. When I first got my Tesla, I thought the warranty repairs would give me peace of mind. But just a few months after those initial fixes, the suspension started acting up again. This isn't a one-off glitch. It's a recurring nightmare. After the warranty repair, I began noticing an unusual clunking sound every time I took a sharp turn. At first, I dismissed it as a minor issue, but soon it became obvious that something wasn't right. I took the car back to Tesla's service center, expecting a quick fix, but instead I was hit with a shocking explanation. The suspension parts that were fixed under warranty had failed prematurely. Tesla's technicians later informed me that the repairs failed again because of what they claimed was aggressive driving on my part. They even went as far as to say I must have hit something, a road divider or an object, to cause this repeated damage. The kicker? Their proposed solution is an out-of-pocket repair costing nearly $10,000. I've reviewed all the service documents and nothing supports the claim of an external impact. Instead, it's becoming increasingly clear that the original repairs were simply not done properly. The parts that were installed under warranty are now failing again, showing signs of stress that shouldn't occur so quickly if they were high quality. This isn't just about a bad repair job. It's about how a faulty warranty process can leave you vulnerable. Tesla's current stance is that my driving was at fault, a clear attempt to shift the blame. But if you look at the service records, the problem is persistent and clearly linked to the quality of the parts used. So here I am, facing a potential $10,000 bill for a repair that should have been covered under warranty. And this is only the tip of the iceberg in a saga that's becoming more and more concerning. While the suspension saga was a headache on its own, things got even more complicated when I turned to my insurance provider. I filed a claim with Safeco Insurance, hoping they'd help cover the mounting costs. Instead, I was met with a complete shutdown. Safeco's denial letter stated that because the suspension repairs were supposedly conducted under warranty, they aren't liable for the damage. But here's where it gets twisted. I have invoices and documentation clearly showing that I had to pay out of pocket for parts of the repair, like the front aeroshield repair and other related costs. I even submitted a formal request for reconsideration, outlining the timeline of events. I explained that after the initial repairs, the damage continued to worsen, and I wasn't just dealing with a one-time mishap. My claim was based on the fact that the repeated suspension issues are a direct result of inadequate repairs, not a new collision or an accident caused by my driving. Safeco argued that the damage occurred outside the policy period or was not covered because it was assumed to be a warranty repair. Their letter makes it seem as if I'm caught in a no-win situation where Tesla refuses to cover the failure and the insurance company won't step in because they claim it's all part of the warranty mess. In reality, I'm stuck in a gray area. Both parties are denying liability, leaving me responsible for a massive repair bill. Safeco's rationale is that since the repairs were done under warranty, I should not claim further damages. But if you look at the evidence, the repairs were not adequate. And now they're trying to avoid paying what should be covered. This isn't just about a single repair or a claim denial. It's about the larger issue of who stands behind you when things go wrong. The suspension problem, compounded by questionable warranty practices, has left me battling both Tesla and my insurance provider. And let me tell you, this battle is far from over. In a perfect world, a robust warranty should cover these kinds of repeated failures, giving you time to address them without fear of exorbitant costs. However, in my case, the warranty expiration timeline was manipulated, or at least it seemed to be accelerated. The service documents and repair records indicate that the odometer readings and mileage accumulation played a role. Every extra mile logged, every subtle software adjustment contributed to an unexpected fast-tracking of the warranty's end date. This gray area is where both Tesla and Safeco seem to agree. The problems aren't new, and thus they're not worth covering. But to me, every dent, every clunk, and every unsubstantiated blame on my driving habits is a red flag. It's a clear sign that the warranty system and even the odometer readings are being leveraged in ways that accelerate warranty expiration, shifting the burden of repair costs entirely onto me. In Part 3, I'll dive deep into those odometer readings, how they're manipulated, and why they might be part of a larger strategy to shorten your warranty life. The goal? To uncover whether these tactics are just bad luck or a systematic issue that every Tesla owner needs to know about. Until then, if you're facing similar issues or are simply considering a Tesla, be aware. Your warranty might be expiring before you even realize it, leaving you with a mountain of unexpected expenses. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the gray area of warranty expiration and insurance denial. I'm committed to uncovering the truth behind these issues, so hit that subscribe button, share your experiences in the comments, and stay tuned for Part 3, where we get to the heart of the odometer mystery. Drive safe and stay informed.